Up for sale, 1957 Chevy 150. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 57 Chevy 150, finished in blue and white with beautiful interior. 283, turbo 350 trans, power front disc brakes, and a rotisserie restoration. As always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we will start her in the front as always. And what a beautiful car. Like I always say, I never get 57s too much. And I believe the last couple 57s I had were also super nice cars. A convertible, another frame off. This one being a rotisserie, the floors are all body color. And I love when they do that. I love the radial tires with the Kragers on there. It's a nice look. And really, there's very few blemishes on this car. One of which, I'll just go ahead, a little touch up right on the hood there. But like, look how nice the hood lines up here. How nice it lines up there. The finish around the doors and the way the doors fit to the quarters and whatnot and the rockers is fantastic. I'll show you that when we get there. But let's just focus up on the chrome right now. You do see a couple little marks here on this chrome bumper. And this one's got a little bit of haze. I know this is a separate piece. You could probably replace that to make it look that nice if it bothered you enough. Nice over there. These pieces are super nice. And I know those are prone to pit, but these are a beautiful example for both of them. I'll show you the tops of the fenders real quick. And then we'll go a little bit closer to the windshield here. You can see nice finish in here, nice fitment in here. If I had to guess, the windshield looks like it's new. All because the weather stripping is, and there's like not even little marks on it that you normally get. Yeah, that's a new windshield. I was right. The detail here on the white top, beautiful on both sides. The finish all the way down to the piece of trim there. Oh, it was driven back hour and a half on the highway, moving pretty dang fast. Drove like a dream. But anyway, I want to pop the hood here. It's beautifully detailed in the engine compartment. Nice attention to detail throughout. Electric fan, stock radiator. In here, all beautiful looking. You know, firewall. Very nice. Use the brake booster master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. Newer battery. I like these. Even, you know, the cables look nice. Inner fender wells look nice. This is painted very nice. There's a little bit of water stains from when I was cleaning it. There, hinges, air cleaner, engine. It's a, like I said, 283. And then they upgraded the transmission to a turbo 350 instead of the power glide that it would have been from the factory. Take a little step back here, I'll show you that. And it's turnkey. It fires right up, it runs smooth as silk, which I believe the key is in there. I'll just show you now. Oh, look at the interior. Oh my gosh. But anyway, we'll go through that a little bit more detailed shortly. Here's your VIN tag, never taken off. It's still got the factory welds on there. Detail there. Smooth as silk. take the key for now. So we'll show you the trunk. The trunk is also detailed very nicely. I will lay on the ground, show you the underneath, because the way they did the rotisserie, I've always had them on Chevy muscle cars, but to see it done on a Tri-5 where you got the inner rockers the way they are, the body braces the way they are, that detail in itself is very impressive. Well, let's go here. I'll always go down the driver's side of the car first. And you can see the detail here along the paint to the chrome, the paint to the little trim around the headlight bezels, and then down the side here. The wheels are like new. You can see the disc brakes in there. The gentleman owned the car since 2011, and he's the one who had the rotisserie restoration done. These are a couple other little water spots here. Look how nice the door lines up to the rocker. And look at that there, that angle there. The body is so straight. I've only had one other 150, and that was about almost 2 years ago. I do see one other blemish, a little touch-up right there on the door edge. But then look here as we go down. To that corner, this is what I was talking about. How well this fits. Nice finish all the way down. Look at the rocker finish here to the back before the wheel. And again, all new glass. Anyway, for the interior, beautiful finish in here. I always note this, not painted over bolts, all new weather stripping. The finish in here, finish in there, finish in there, and the finish all the way up here. In addition, all the way here and down. New molding there. The rocker finish is excellent. I love the gray floor mats, which complement the gray interior, and the gray interior all the way around still looks like new. Door panel's clean, no rips in it. I love this material. No rips on the seats. It's got front and rear seat belts, front and rear floor mats, kick panels with speakers tastefully put in for the aftermarket radio. And then right here, factory steering wheel. Some little marks on the steering wheel, probably from use. He said he did enjoy driving it, but it really doesn't look like he drove it that much. The dash, the silver on the dash, finished beautifully, like a little satin color. I love that, with the satin painted black dash. It's like I said it about one truck I had before. It's like when you have an idea of restoring a car and how you want it to turn out. This guy had an idea and he executed it very well. Love the visors, and you could even see there that this trim around here isn't overlooked in it being painted. Factory gauges. Wonder if there's anything in here. Ooh. 57 manual. Oh, I love this. Absolutely. Oh, the insurance, I gotta take that out. But this is exactly how the car is. That light even works in there. I love that material. And then the headliner is just superb. lay on the ground. Did I grab the key? Yep. And show you what I'm talking about with the floors. I guess I'll start in the back. We'll come back to the quarter and the back, but I want to just show you the underneath. Sooner than later, you can see it starting there. You can see it starting here. Going forward, look at the floors. Stainless steel exhaust. All new bushings underneath. You can see some of that. I did take some nice pictures. I gotta clean this better. Oh. I think you get the idea. A little hard to lay down here and do this. It's not like a pickup truck. Gas filler. See like a little stain here on the chrome, like a little water stain there. And then this bumper, just like the front, it's got a little bit of that marking on top. But then this piece here is stunning. Water spot. What's that siren? Matte spare jack. The finish in here, beautiful as well here. You know, they didn't paint over the bolts in assembling the trunk lid. All new weather stripping once again. You know, locking mechanism, stuff like that. Weather stripping all around. I know I just said that. And I haven't lifted this up yet. Oh my gosh. I gotta take a picture of that. Wow. And that's the original trunk pan too. Where'd this car come from? Where was it built? F. Oh, I don't know what that is off the top of my head. Back together. Leave that there because I want to come back to it. Once again, look at that detail here going up. close-up detail on that rocker. How well this door fits up once again. I get new glass here. New glass here. New glass here. I did just feel a raindrop, so I want to hurry up and get through this. I'm not skipping over anything. It's just this nice. I don't have to point out anything. Anyway, we're going to fire it up now, get in it, drive it around the block as fast as we can. Thank you for watching. And here we go. You still didn't close the door all the way. He never does it. I think we got lucky. It might have just been that.
Yeah.
Who's coming right now?
Syed dropping off the rent.
Well, yeah, we might have got lucky.
Should I back up? You mind if I back up again? Or are you taking a video?
I'm doing a video, but he can come. No, he's going in.
Okay.
He's gonna go look for you. Yeah, we got lucky. I think it was just those handful of drops, and that was it. Like
This is the way you want every car. There's not a squeak. There's not a sound. There's not a rattle, not a vibration. There's not a hesitation with the steering, with the acceleration, with the braking. I drove it back 50 miles on the highway, speeds in the 70s, and it handled perfectly. Oh, I hear a rattle. No, I'm joking.
That's the trophies. The trophies in the bag. I know, the bird's always, oh gosh. He's looking at you. You're crazy. It'd be funny if he's still, yep, he's still there.